Good morning, students. Welcome to the today's video session. In the previous class, we have discussed some introduction about areas related to circles. And in exercise 12.1, we have solved the first problem. So now the second problem, see that the radii of two circles are 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. So it is same as the previous problem, first problem. Then what is the difference between here? In that problem also they given radius of two circles, and they asked to find the radius of the third circle, which circumference equal to the sum of the area circumferences of two circles. But here is given that area is equal to the, here it is, here it is given that area is equal to the radius of area is equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. So here two circles are there. One is with radius 8 centimeters, let it be R, and one more circle is there. The radius of this circle is 6 centimeters, let it be, this is R1 and this is R2. Okay, and one more circle is there. We have to find the radius of this circle, let it be R3. We don't know the radius of this circle. We have to find the radius of the third circle. So how can we find? For that reason only, in the problem they are given the area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. The sum of the area of this circle is equal to the that circle. So means, see here the area of this circle plus the area of this circle is equal to the area of that circle. So by taking this criteria, we can find the area radius of the third circle. Now see, let the radius of first circle. The radius of first circle is equal to R1 is equal to 8 centimeters. Then the radius of second circle is equal to R2 is equal to 6 centimeters. And the radius of third circle is equal to, let it be R3. Let, we don't know, that's why let the radius of the third circle is equal to R3, that's it. Now take the area of this circle and that circle. Area of first circle, let it be A1 is equal to, we know that the formula to find the area of circle is pi r square. Here pi r1 square. For first circle we are finding the area, that's why take pi r1 square. So here pi, what is the r1? 8 square. 8 square means it is 64 pi centimeter squares. We know that here radius is given in centimeters. Then the radius of the area of the circle must be in centimeter squares. For circumference we can take, if it is area, if radius is given in centimeters, we can take the circumference also in same units, centimeters only. Okay. So now the area of second circle is equal to A2, that is pi R2 square. So pi, what is the R2? See here it is given that 6 centimeters, 6 square. Okay, this is 6 square means 36 pi centimeter squares. Okay. Now area of third circle, area of third circle is equal to A3 is equal to pi R3 whole square. So this is pi into what is R3 we don't know. Let it be. Okay. So now according to the problem, see sum of areas of two circles. Sum of areas of two circle means area of this circle is, first circle is A1, sum means plus, area of second circle means A2, that equal to area of the third circle is A3. A1 means how much? A1 64 pi, area of first circle. It is 64 pi. A2 is 36 pi. A3 is pi R cube. Pi R 3 cube, 3 square. Now this is 64 plus 36, it is 100 pi is equal to pi R 3 square. Pi get cancelled. Then R3 square is equal to 100. Then R3 becomes sin square, that side it will become square root of 100. We know that the square root of 100 is 10 centimeter, plus or minus 10. Okay, so R3 is the radius, that's why we can't take the negative value for the radius. Why? Radius always be in positive only. So there is no negative radius. So that radius never be negative. Okay, radius never be negative. That's why therefore R3 becomes, we can consider a positive value for the radius of third circle. Okay, this is the first second question. Very easy. Simply by taking this criteria, area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circle, here we are finding the radius of the required circle. Okay, I hope that you understand. After this we will discuss third question. Yes, see that this is third question. Now just now we have finished the second question. Here this question is very long question. There are so many lines, that's why I didn't write on the board. Simply I am taking the diagram from the textbook. Okay, so here it is. This is the question. Simply this is a archery board. On this board we have different colored circles. So one big circle is there. On that some region, some part, this part is white and this part is black and this part is blue and this region is red and this is in middle red. Okay, here it will indicate the scoring of the shooter. Okay, so here we have to find the area of all the regions. How much white region occupying, how much black region occupying. Like that we have to find the all the areas of the regions. So here all are the circles only. Is it right or wrong? Yes, all are the circles. So each and every circle area we have to find. Okay, to find that area in the question, see that once while you are watching this video, you should keep textbook before you. Okay, so here in the question it is given that the radius of the gold region is equal to, not radius, in the textbook it is given that it is the diameter 21 centimeters and the width of this part. See here, this is one part, this width, all are given that this is 10.5, this is 10.5, this is 10.5, this is 10.5, like that they given. By using this criteria we have to find the area of all the circle. Let it be, this is the first circle, second circle, third, fourth, fifth, all 5 circles, areas of 5 circles we have to find. To find the area of circle we need the radius. So here it is given that diameter of the first circle. Given that diameter of first circle is equal to D is equal to 21. Okay, then R becomes, let it be R1, R becomes D by 2. We know that the radius of the circle is half of the diameter, that is equal to 21 by 2, that is 10.5 centimeters. This is the radius of the first circle. Now it is easy to find the, after that we will find all the areas. First we are writing the radius for each and every circle. Now radius of second circle is equal to R2 is equal to, see that from here to here it is 10.5. So second circle radius means from here to here, no? So this 10.5 plus this 10.5 become the radius of the second circle. It means Retresian circle. That is equal to, so we have to add radius of the first circle plus the width, this width 10.5, that is equal to 21 centimeters. 21 centimeters. Okay. Now the radius of third circle is equal to R3 is equal to, see from here to here it is 21 centimeters plus this one how much, 10.5 plus 10.5, total that is equal to 31.5 centimeters. Now radius of fourth circle R4 is equal to, see fourth circle means this is the fourth circle. From here to here almost 31.5. Again we have to add this one, that is 10.5. So 31.5 plus 10.5, that is equal to 42 centimeters. Now take the radius of fifth circle is equal to, R5 is equal to, from here it is 42 and this width is 10.5. So 42 plus 10.5, that is equal to 52.5 centimeters. These are all the radii of all circles. Okay. Now let us try to find the area of all the circles. First circle, gold region. This gold region area means area of first circle. Area of gold region is equal to area of first circle. Area of first circle means pi R1 square. That is equal to pi R1 square. Pi into what is the R1? See here, this is the R1 10.5. It is 10.5 whole square. See 10.5 into 10.5. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. With 0 multiply, you will get all the zeros. With 1 you have to multiply, again 1 not, 5 will come. This is 5, 2, 10, 1, 1. See, this is 110.25. 110.25 pi. Okay? Okay? Let it be. Then, area of after gold, red region is equal to, how will we get area of the only this red part? How we will get from this big circle, means from the second circle, area of the second circle, if we remove this area of gold, then we will get the area of red region. Means area of red region is equal to area of the second circle minus area of the first circle. Okay, so area of second circle minus area of first circle. This is equal to area of second circle means pi R2 square. Area of first circle means pi R1 square. So this is equal to pi into what is the R2? R2 means 21. This is 21 square minus this is pi R1 square already we found here, that is 110.25. That is equal to 21 square means 441 pi minus 110.25 pi. Now add this 441. Subtract from 441 minus 110.25. This is 5, 7, 0. This is 330.75 pi. So see here, 330.75 pi means it is 22 by 7. Okay, so this is 7 1 ja 7. 7 4 ja 28 means 5. 7 7 ja 49. See, 17 is there. 7 2 ja 14 means 35. 7 5 ja. This is 47.25 into 22. This is, see that, 47.25 into 22. Multiplication. 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14, 15, 2 4 ja 8. Again, 2 9 5 4 0 0 4 9. This is 14. This is 1049. 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 1 5. This is 5. 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, 5. 2 7 ja 14, 2 7 ja 14. Here we will do again. See that 47.25 into 22. 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, 1 5, 2 7 ja 14, 2 4 ja 8, 9, 9 4 5 0, 0 5 9 13 10, 1039.50, 1039.50 centimeter squares. This is the area of the red region. Now we have to find the area of blue region. How we will find the area of blue region? The area of this third circle minus area of second circle. Then we will get the area of this block. Now area of blue region. Area of blue region. Blue region is equal to area of blue region means third circle minus area of second circle. So now this is area of third circle means pi r3 whole square minus second circle pi r2 whole square. Okay, so see this pi into what is this r3? R3 is 31.5. 31.5 whole square minus this is 330.75 pi. Okay, now 31 square, see that 31 square, 31.5 square means 31.5. 5 5 is 25. 5 1 ja 5 to 7, 5 3 is 15. With 1 we will get 5 1 3. Now 3 3 5 is 15. Okay, 3 1 ja 3 4, 3 3 is 9, 5 12 12 and this is 7 9. This is 9. This is equal to 992.25. 992.25 pi. Now 992.25 into 22 by 7 with 7. 7 1 ja. See that 7 1 ja 7 means 29 is there. 7 29 means 7 4 ja 28. 12 means 7 1 ja 7. Okay. Next it is 5 is there. 7 7 ja 52. 7 7 ja 49. Okay, and 7 5 ja. That is equal to 141.75 into 22. Again we will multiply here. 141.75 into 22. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. So this is again with 2, 2 8 3 5 0, 0 5 8, this is equal to 11, this is 11, this is 3118.5. Okay, this is the area of blue region. Okay, here one mistake was done. Now see that pi R2 means, what is the R2 value? 21 square. 21 square. So this is 31 square how much? 992.25 pi minus this is 441 pi. So now you have to subtract from 992.25 441.25. 441 only. This is 551.25. Okay. This is 551.25. 551.25 pi. Now this is 551.25 into 22 by 7. 7 1 ja. Okay, this is 7 7 ja 49 means 6. 61 is there. 7 8 ja 56. 56 means 52. 7 7 ja 49. 7 5 ja. So this is 78.75. Okay, this is 78.75 into 22. That is equal to 22. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14, 15. 2 8s are 16. Plus 1, 17. 2 7s are 14, 15. 1 5, 7 5 0. 0 5. That is 12. That is 13. 7 1 7 3 2.50. 1732.50. Okay, before that one mistake was done. Here we are taking directly this area, but not like that. Just you have to take 21 whole square. Okay, here only the calculation part is somewhat difficult, and remaining thing is very easy. Don't worry. Now remaining we have to find area of black, area of white. Yes. Now area of black region. Area of black region. See the area of black region. Okay. Area of black region means this circle is the fourth circle in amongst all the circles. Now, if we subtract the area of third circle from the area of fourth circle, simply we will get the area of this black region. Okay. So now area of black region. Okay, is equal to area of fourth circle. Area of fourth circle minus area of third circle. Area of fourth circle means it is pi r4 whole square minus this is pi r3 whole square. Here pi into what is the r4? R4 is 42. So 42 whole square minus pi into r3 is what is the r3? 31.5. 31.5 whole square. So 42 square is 1764 pi minus 31.5 square means 31.5 into 31.5. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7, 5 3s are 15. Okay, again with 3 5, 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3. Now again 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 3 3s are 9. Now this is 5. This is 12. 12. This is 9. 992.5. This is 992.5 pi. This pi. Okay, now subtract 1764. From 1764 you have to subtract the value of 909.25. 176400 992.25. This is 5 7. Here 3 minus 2 1. Here 5. 15 minus 9 it is 6. Okay, here 16 minus 9 16 minus 9 7. Okay, 16 minus 9 7, that is 761.75 pi. Now 761.75 into pi means the value is 22/7. 7 1 ja, this is 7 1 ja 7. 771.75. This is 7 1 ja 7. 7 1 ja 7. 7 2 ja 14. 7 5 ja 0. So here we are taking two numbers at a time. That's why it will become 0 will come here. So that it is 110.25. 110.25 into 22. Now we have to multiply 110.25 with 22. 2 5 is 10. 2 2 is 4 5. 0 2 1 is 2. 2 1 is 2. Again double 2 0 5 0. 0 5 5 2 4 2. That is 24.2550 centimeter squares. This is the area of black region. This is the area of black region. Now the last one is white region. White region means it is the fifth circle. From the area of fifth circle, if you subtract the area of black circle, you will get the area of white circle. Now area of white region is equal to area of fifth circle minus area of fourth circle. So that is area of fifth circle means pi or 5 square minus 5 pi or 4. Area of fourth circle means r4 whole square. This is pi into, see here pi value, r5 value is 52.5 into 52.5 whole square minus pi into, what is the r4? R4 is 42. That is 42. So here now you will take we have to multiply the 52.5 into 52.5. 52.5 into 52.5. 5 5 is 25. 5 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 12. 5 5 is 25. 1 26. Again with 2. 2 5 is 10. 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. 2 5 is 10. Now again by 5, same this only we will get 2 6 2 5. Okay, so 5 2 16 5 7 2. So this is 2756.25. 2756.25 pi minus 42 already 1764 pi. So now subtract this 1764 from 2756.25. This is 25. This is 2. 15 minus 6 9. Here it is 6. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is 9. Okay, 992.25. 992.25 pi. Okay, this is 992.25 into 22. Again 992.25 into 22. 2 5 is 10. 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5, 2 2 is 4, 2 9 is 18, 2 9 is 18, 19. This is 19, 8, 4, 5, 0. 0, 5, 9, 12, 18, 11, 1. Double 1, 8 to 9.0. Okay. So this is by 7. After doing 22 by 7 only, we have multiplied with 992.25 with 7. 7 1 ja 7 1 ja 7, 29, 7 4 ja 28, 7 1 ja 7, 12 minus 7 1 ja 7, 28, 7 4 ja 28, 12, 7 1 ja 7, then 30, then 5 is there, 7 7 ja 49, 7 5 ja 45. That is equal to 141.75 into 22. That is 141.75 into 22. 2 5 is 10, 2 7 is 14, 15, 2 1 is 2, 3, 2 4 is 8, 2. That is 28350, 0, 5, 8, 11. This is 11, 3, 31185.311.8.50 centimeter squares. This is the area of the white region. So up to now we have solved all the areas of the gold region, red region, blue region, black region and white region. This is such a big problem, but don't worry, only calculation part is somewhat difficult, but problem is based on only one formula, that is area of pi r square. Okay students, I hope that you understand. Have a nice day. Thank you.